Hey everyone, have you ever accidentally deleted some files from your phone and thought they were gone for good? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple, brand new method to recover deleted photos, videos, or any other files from your phone, even if it's been more than 30 days or the files are no longer in your deleted folder. The app we'll be using is called iRecovery, and it's a game changer when it comes to recovering deleted files from your iOS device. Whether it's a photo, an important video, or any type of file you accidentally deleted, this app can help bring it back. It's incredibly easy to use. You don't need any technical skills at all. Just install the app, hit the Recover button, and the app will automatically search for and restore any files that have been deleted. What's amazing about iRecovery is that it works even if the files have been gone for a while. So, if you thought something was lost forever, there's a good chance this app can still find it for you. Alright, if you're ready to recover those lost files, let's jump right into the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called lucidplugin.com. Lucid Plugin is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for iRecovery and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.